Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. What is education? Is it book learning? No. Is it diverse knowledge? Not even that. The training by which the current and expression of will are brought under control or become fruitful is called education. To me, the very essence of education is the concentration of mind, not the collecting of facts. If I had to do my education over again and had my voice in the matter, I would not study facts at all. I would develop the power of concentration and detachment, and then, with a perfect instrument, I could collect facts at will. The world can be good and pure only if our lives are good and pure. It is an effect, and we are the means. Therefore, let us purify ourselves. Let us make ourselves perfect. Will you consider a man as educated if only he can pass some examination and deliver good lectures? The education which does not help the common mass of people to equip themselves for the struggle for life, which does not bring out strength of character, a spirit of philanthropy, and the courage of a lion, is it worth the name? Real education is that which enables one to stand on one's own leg. The education that you are receiving now in schools and colleges is only making you a race of dyspeptics. You are working like machines merrily and living a jellyfish existence. Education is not the amount of information that is put into your brain and runs right there, undigested all your life. We must have life building, man making, character making, assimilation of ideas. If you have assimilated 5 ideas and made them your life and character, you have more education than any man who has got by heart a whole library. Do you not find in history that the first death sign of a nation has been unchastity? When that has entered, the end of the race is in sight. We want that education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. Bring light to the poor and bring more light to the rich, for they require it more than the poor. Bring light to the ignorant and more light to the educated, for the vanities of the education of our life are tremendous. What we want are Western science coupled with Vedanta, Brahmacharya as the guiding motto, and also Shraddha and faith in one own self. Do you see, simply by the observance of strict Brahmacharya continence, all learning can be mastered in a very short time. One has unfailing memory of what one hears or knows but once. It is owing to this want of continence that everything is on the brink of ruin in our country.